When I am setting up a new site, whether I am creating the website from scratch or I am redesigning a current website, I like to set up a demo URL where I can simply just house the website until we are ready to launch it. This gives me a place to work, and this also gives me a URL that I can provide to the client so that they can watch the progress as I go along and also provide me feedback during the design or redesign process when I ask them for it as well. To do this, you can either set the website up on your client's hosting account. I tend not to do that unless I have worked with the client for a really long time. I know them very well. I trust them very well. I've had no problems with payment. But by doing that, you are essentially giving them your work. So you need to be a little bit careful if you're doing that. So a couple other options you have is to house this either on your business website, and you can create a subdomain or subdirectory specific to that client, or you can set up a test domain altogether, and that is always where you will host your client sites as you design them. What I'm going to do is I'll house this website on my business website in a subdirectory, which is what I like to do. So for this particular website, I'm going to be using WordPress. So from the hosting control panel, I will click on Quick Install. Now, this is going to look similar for most hosting companies out there. It's not going to look exactly the same, but it'll be the same exact steps, and it's fairly straightforward. So here I'll click on WordPress. It's going to take me to the button where I can install WordPress, and I will click there. Then it's going to allow me to select the domain where I would like to install it, and then I can put the subdirectory in this next box. I'm just going to go with LLP to keep it simple, Live Long and Prosper, the business name. Then I can go ahead and insert my email address and my admin username, click Install. At that point, WordPress will be installed. It will provide me with the password. Once WordPress is installed, then I can go ahead and start setting up the pages, and we'll look at what we need to do to set up each individual page to best optimize it to rank.